Hello everyone, I'm Preeti Nagi. Hope you all are happy, safe, and prospering in your life. This video I have framed is basically for you all who want to develop the habit of reading the books, who wants to learn the English, who are just the beginners of learning English, who wants to increase their vocabulary, who wants to increase the reading skills, who wants to increase the skills of sitting at one place and started reading. So, for that, there must be something very exciting. There must be something like that and devote time to reading. And for that, and for the very beginners, I have chalked out 5 books which are quite interesting and plus very beneficial and helpful for you as well. Because developing a reading habit and increasing the vocabulary, we have to do both the things side by side. And yes, for that, I have chalked out 5 books which are very good for the beginners and must read for you all. So yes, I'm going to tell you the name of the book, the author of the book, and what this book is all about. And if you will like the theme, you can buy the book or you can read the book online as you just want to develop your reading habit and learn the English vocabulary and English as well. So for that, you can read the books online or you can order your copy as well. All the books are available online, so you can read out the books, so you can fulfill the purpose. So it's not expensive one, but yes, it's gonna be very beneficial for the people who are the beginners. Yes, moving to the video, I'm going to frame the 5 books. So let's check out the video. First book I'm going to share with you to make yourself learn English and develop your reading habit. The first book is The God of Small Things, authored by Anuruddh Roy. This book, believes me, it masterpiece. This book is masterpiece. This book revolves around the tragedy. This book revolves around the hope. This book also revolves around how to capture the emotions, how to tackle with the tragic situations, and it's a full package. It's this book, I must say, this is a must-read book, and do go for it. Is The Inheritance of Laws, authored by the Kiran Desai. Very powerful book. Honestly, this is very powerful book. Beautifully explained the character, beautifully explained the feelings, beautifully explained the whole situation, and I must say the inner struggles of the character, they explained by Kiran Desai, is marvelous. This book is totally recommended for the people who wants to read, who wants to learn how to cater the struggles, who wants to learn the power pack performance, and the people who loves to read the life story of the person. This book is must recommended for you. Third book I'm going to recommend you is The White Tiger. The White Tiger book is authored by Arvind Adiga. This whole book examines the situation and issues in India like caste, religion, loyalty, corruption, and poverty in India. This book covers the whole thing. All about the story of a guy who belongs to very low social caste and how he catered the problems, how he struggles enough, how he becomes successful and tackle all the social problems and caste, and how he struggled and become a very successful person in life. And this book is inspiration. This book is totally an inspiration for the people who are thinking like that. I can't do this thing because of hurdles in the life. I can't do this thing because I have some boundaries in my life. This book is inspiration for you, and this book is a must read for you because the way he caters the situation, the way he achieves the success is must read for you all. So this book is recommended for the people who wants to achieve something in the life and wants to get inspiration from someone. This book is for you. This book is basically revolves around the life of the villagers, life of the low class people, life of the very poor people who come back as a hero and play a heroic and very marvelous role for the villagers of the life and come out as a character that is inspiration, that is a role model for everyone. So this book revolves around the villagers who come out as a hero character. So if you love the life of the villagers and you want to be a role model for other ones, So you can read the book and get some inspiration from this book. Last book I'm going to recommend for the new readers. Last week I'm going to recommend for the people who wants to learn the English and wants to develop the reading habit is Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh. You must have watched the movie Gadar, and this book is kind of similar to that movie. So if you watch the movie Gadar, then you will able to relate the book very easily, and you will able to get the words, you will able to understand the book, the concept very easily. Okay, this book, the whole story is revolves around the Sikh and Muslim people who sparked because they watched the train which is full of dead bodies. And the story also revolves around a Muslim girl and a Sikh guy who falls in love with each other and broken all the boundaries of religion, caste, the culture going on in India at that point of time when the book was written, Train to Pakistan, and beautifully portrayed by Kushwant Singh. And it's a must read for the people who have watched the movie Gadas because they can relate the book very well. And it's a tragic book and it's a love story as well. So the people who loves watching love story, the people who loves reading love stories, they can read the book and find it worthy. So that's all about the video. I have shared with you the 5 books. I will definitely share more criterias. I will definitely share more way outs how to develop your English, how to develop your reading habits, because developing a reading habit, it's must for the people who wants to grow and excel in their life. Reading is a one habit which is must for you, because when we start reading, when we start learning, when we start increasing and enhancing our knowledge, then you can excel in your life. नॉलेज एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपसे कोई कभी नहीं छीन सकता. कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग द नॉलेज, कीप ऑन एनहांसिंग द नॉलेज, keep on learning always, because there is no age bar in learning. And yes, stay connected with me. I will do come out with a many other aspects, very different ideas, how to increase your knowledge, how to develop your personality, how to develop your communication skills. But for that, you have to connect with me. Do like the video, do subscribe the channel, and do press the bell icon button, because you will definitely miss the video if you won't press the bell icon button. So yes, thank you so much for connecting me. Thank you so much for giving me love and your super response. I will definitely come out with more videos, more new ideas with you all. Thank you so much. Till then, ta-da.